Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum, Solana and SUI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Ethereum, where we have our all-time history first. We're gonna watch Ethereum, what is going to happen basically on the micro level as well. But starting on the all-time history, we have a potential 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finished impulse here as a wave 1 or a wave A, followed by a 3 ways and then 3 ways up and then another 3 ways down. It can be definitely a W, X and a Y finished over here, especially that we paid a lot in time here rather than in price, and we start to see a double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 to finish a wave 1, and we're still ranging here in this deep correction between the perfect fib level 0.618, 0.786. This range here as a wave 2 there, it can be a W, X and a Y as well, can be finished in case we are bullish in double 1, 2 and we push towards the upside. Now it's the latest drop, I would say, for the crypto market is suggesting potentially that one more low can still be taken, but preferably to not take the 886, 1600. It can be even taking it and moving up in a ending diagonal here, that it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it reduced so much the possibility for a massive wave 3 unless we continue from here, from those perfect fib level, and we push for higher in a wave 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 for Ethereum. Now, let's dive inside it on the 1 hour chart for Ethereum after this last drop that we have from the top here. I'm still looking at this range here, very, very long sideways range. So if we are still in a 1, 2, 3 and then wave 4 here, the wave 4 is very, very long in time in alternation within this wave 2. This is very, very long. So it starts to suggest something else. Whether we are bullish here, sorry again for my voice, guys. Whether we are bullish again here in double 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5, that it might be unfolding, or it can be a finished W, X and Y, yes, as double 1, 2, or still looking for one more low based on some several 1, 2 in the top here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5. And that reflects, of course, this wave 4 can reflect much more this wave 2 over there or this one. So that means it's very, very unlikely to be alternating with this wave 2. Can be a finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here already within a wave Y. Now, basically, the last drop that we saw here for Ethereum, it suggests, of course, that something is still bearish. Definitely we have double 1, 2 here also. It says 3 ways toward the upside, and the last drop, despite that it didn't took the low yet, but it looks impulsive already as a double 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5. Currently, if this is a wave 4 still unfolding there, can be having a wave 5. Despite that it looks impulsive, that's it can be even a larger zigzag. Well, invalidation is very, very far here for Ethereum. So in case we are bullish, you don't want to take this low. Yeah, so this is a total confirmation here for something lower, meaning this is a confirmation for lower prices. And we're very, very close to it, which it can still suggest, of course, one more low anyway, since we are in double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and a 5. Can be a little bit longer, wave 4 and a 5, it doesn't matter. So it can still take this low, and by taking this low, it eliminates the 1, 2 there, elimination of double 1, 2, and give higher probability for double 1, 2 downward in an ABC correction wave 2, and then we have a 1, 2 here that it might unfold a massive wave 3 towards the downside. So in case we are in a wave 3, yes, we might still be in the formation of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of it, that it might still drop down for a new low here, where we might get a trigger for a bull run by taking the low one more time. This is what I'm looking for. It's a bull run trigger here in case this is what it might happen. But yeah, we'll watch, guys, closer what it might happen if we take the 886 here in confluence as well. It might be something that it might move for lower. Yeah, 1600 reduce the possibility for a massive wave 3, but nobody knows. We might take the low here and trigger it as for higher. Now, if you take the 886, I repeat, it can be something as ending diagonal. Wave 2 for diagonals tends to take the 886 normally. So we'll see what's going to happen. Nothing yet is totally confirmed, but the probability is increasing here for the bearish, of course, for one more low, unless the things suddenly push for a new high here and start to unfold 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I would say also I'm going to put a level here, a new level, which it might be confirmation for higher prices. Okay. Yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen, guys. Basically, I would say things are tending to be 60 to 65% bearish and 35 to 40% bullish. It depends right now on this those key levels. So what is very interesting is that the key level are getting tight here. Yeah. So before they were a little bit higher, which is this one and also that one here, but currently they are tighter. But very likely that we are bearish as well as higher probability, guys. For Solana, it might be a little bit much more clearer as well. For Solana on the all-time history, you know, we need those three waves as an ABC in any case scenario, whether you are in the highest probability 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. Wave 4 is still unfolding and needs, of course, this blue box. As you can see, we took it once, but the structure is not finished. Double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 is still unfolding toward the downside, guys. Very likely one more low and then pushing for higher. Also, another probability as double 1, 2, the wave 2 can be also the three waves, the same condition. And we have three waves up as wave A, wave B as well to finish here. Wave B also we need the same condition and very far possibility because the timing of the wave B here is negligible based on the wave A. So in case you are in wave B, we might be in something deeper, something like that, yeah, and then pushing for higher. We might reach the 0.618, but I doubt it, of course. The 2 hours chart here, we are looking, or 4 hour, let's see the drop from the top here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, still very likely alternating here. This wave 2, that's totally fine. And we see lately a 5 ways down. So that's why I'm saying that, yes, Solana can be much more clearer. It has already 1, 2, 1, 2 here, and it took the low. And that is a confirmation that we're pushing toward the downside for a new low. That doesn't mean we're going straight ahead in one line, of course. It needs a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, to push toward the downside. But the confirmation somehow is given. You can see clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, it can be that this is an A, B, and a C expanding flat here as a wave 2, meaning a 1, A, B, C wave 2, and then pushing it downward again for a massive wave 3. So this wave 3 might reach, of course, the new low, the last low that we got here, because we need it. We need a wave 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So we need that. We need to take the low, and we need a trigger here for a bull run, of course. Yeah, so Solana is still requiring lower prices. Very clear, yeah, very clear for Solana that we have a confirmation that we're pushing for a new low. For SUI as well, we are looking here at the last 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5 still unfolding there. Basically, we are alternating also potentially several 1, 2s, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. And that means this wave 4 is alternating this wave 2 because it's impossible to alternate only this wave 2 with this massive wave 4. Very likely it is related here. And then, of course, we are looking for lower prices in double 1, 2. Definitely, this is not an expanding diagonal. It has started to show up as an expanding diagonal, which I don't know. I don't like it. It looks like wave 4 longer than wave 2. So very likely double 1, 2, and wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 is unfolding still for lower prices, guys. Meaning a new low as bull trigger can be there. Well, we gotta be careful from the expanding diagonal, but yeah, I'm watching at least here the 1.618 and also in confluence this area in case we are in diagonal. But I think that something much deeper is unfolding as a 34545. Why I think so? Because Bitcoin, if it goes in a deep correction as well, this might open double for 5 for Bitcoin, which it might be deeper for the altcoins as well. Yep, so that was it for Ethereum, Solana, and SUI. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.